Go inside and climb up there as high as you can. The cache is near the light, in a niche under a stone.
Wow. Can you try this?
Yes. I hope somebody in there has a flashlight.
Oliver has one too.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, hey.
So let's go in there.
It's worse.
Well, it's a Swiss Army bunker. Seems the Swiss people who build it are smaller than we are.
Spider webs.
Does anybody have a light?
Pass the light forward.
Oliver, you should go fast. Oh,
Light.
Good.
There we go. Proper light.
I think I have a...
Oh.
They are really a lot smaller. Ugh.
Well, you're not supposed to be running. I mean, if you're inside the bunker, you're inside the bunker.
Are you on there? So, say, land as much as you can.
Up here. Hey, this
Up there, obviously.
That's the source of light.
Oh,
Or could be.
There's a mysterious source of light in the bunker.
Not sure we climbed there, but
it's perfectly possible to climb on that.
Okay, this is a recycling station.
Nice.
Okay,
in
yeah,
a niche under a stone.
And we can't. So this is sort of the bunker. So
Yeah,
what's the point of having this one? You're not getting any further there. Or?
No, nothing to see.
Where's the jacuzzi?
I don't know, I was looking for
Yeah. So the whole point of having, hey, we have a bunker here. That's.
nothing to see.
Yeah, what's the bunker without the jacuzzi?
Yeah, but exactly. Let's hide it here.
Sure it's up there now. I don't know.
Oh, there's a beer bottle in the bunker.
It must be up there.
Alright, so
That's proving that indeed it's used by the Swiss Army.
Swiss Army.
Official beer of the Swiss Army.
Kronenbourg. Is that Swiss?
That's my cat.
It's our can, okay.
Is it a micro, Dave?
Microbrewery.
yes, micro.
Let's see who's been in here.
In a niche under a stone.
Under a stone.
Which are we looking for?
The geocache.
It's very small. It's like probably this big in size.
Yeah.
In a niche under a stone. It's hard to know what it is, except only that its size is something like this big.
So these are niches here. I see something.
Yeah, this would be a niche. But niches can be small as well.
Alright,
so I go back to the dog.
Dave,
Hi.
do these count as niches?
Whoa.
yeah, these are niches.
Yeah.
There's my stuff in there.
There's someone here as well.
Hey.
Oh yeah, spider.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Oh, a big spider.
So is it? Do we see something in there? Or?
Everybody making a photo.
If you look inside, that's
And
my
garbage.
Sorry, under a stone.
Maybe this is a stone.
What is the light?
I think that's animal.
You think it's by this panel, huh?
Is there a hint?
I mean, I think. Yes. It was a very long hint, though.
Apparently we don't need to climb.
Maybe someone stole it.
I'm not sure. My missing. It actually says climb as high as you can. You know, quite exciting.
Okay.
Yeah, that's well done.
Do the hint.
Is there any good light that we can hold?
Okay.
Can we have a torch?
Get the light.
Yeah, we need to.
Somebody created it myself.
There's a lot.
Great, it's even in German. This might be easier for you than for me.
Hast. H. Hast du?
K. Q. Kurz. Kurz. Kürzlich.
Yeah.
Kürzlich? Have you recently?
You need a torch? Okay.
Oh, so this.
We're exploring.
Oh.
Do you have it? Take the light. Continue. I want to see. Someone really went up there?
Yeah, but I mean, it's definitely higher up than
We have very dedicated engineers.
Wow.
I'm impressed.
I see a spider. I see two. Is it good?
2 spiders.
I see only one.
A big one.
It's not that big.
Oh, that's something. Oh, it's
Have you recently lost weight?
Andras, that's heroic.
Yeah, I'm a real hero. That's what I
Oh, you're stuck now?
Would you like us to pass food up?
I'm not like my giant spider, actually he's fine, giant spider.
Okay, we have a big pile of giant spiders.
Let's go back to the hints.
If you've recently lost weight,
If you recently lost weight,
you will know Weißduhl.
Yep.
Oh, Weiß. It's gotta be Duhl.
Yep, it is.
Wait, I think we passed it.
Oh,
We found it.
I found it.
all right.
we found it!
Oh, yay!
Well done.
Awesome! Let's sign it.
I drop it down, sign it.
Okay, it's coming there.
Where did it go?
Somewhere here.
It's gotta be somewhere down here.
Now we
Oh,
lost.
here it is.
Come on.
Very
There we are.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Ooh.
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations.
Yay.
You found the treasure. Okay.
Let's sign it.
So
Dave
sign
has
it
a
and
pen.
hand it back.
Yeah.
You gonna stay
Let's
up
do
there?
the honors
Oh,
first.
yes, so
Let's give us some light here.
Well, you could volunteer.
I don't mind too. Well, no, the
Does
spiders.
anyone
I
else
do
want-
mind.
Someone else should take this light.
Someone likes spiders.
90 people have found this, and 2 people didn't find this.
Oh.
Ah.
I mean,
Alright. We're not losers.
We're not losers.
Aha, we are
Okay.
part of the worldwide game of geocaching.
Awesome.
Alright, so where do we sign?
it's a pretty short list. Yeah.
So what's our name?
Google, YouTube. YouTube was here.
Yep.
YouTube.
YouTube
Yes.
engineering.
Okay, where's the pen? So YouTube engineering, is that what we're going to sign?
Yep. Is there any non-engineer here?
Squeeze it out. In.
Yep, I can get it. I'm getting
27.
Yeah. Okay.
So basically every 5 days someone disturbs the poor spiders.
The spider's like, this is the worst hideout ever.
No, we get someone to eat every 5 days.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
spider-
not because
Oh,
you didn't find it, they didn't come back.
Ah, it's just a bunch of software engineers. Too scrawny.
Do you see the white pasty complexion? I'm not getting that.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Just jump down.
I'm having fun with the
Frederick will break your fall.
Yeah, I'll get you.
Right.
Okay.
And oh, what's that down on the ground?
I'll catch you with my head. Oh, come on.
Yeah, you know, we want to seal it against the elements.
Yeah. And spiders.
There's no hurry. Spiders have time. Andras?
Do you...
Look how clever this is designed. The lid is also the first step.
Swiss design.
What's not the first step? See, there's more on the wall.
Oh, there's even.
All the way down and all the way up.
Well,
It's
it's
good lad.
Brilliant.
It is very brilliant. That's Swiss. It's
It's a bit rusty.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Single and
Also, there's bits dropping out of the
all
ceiling.
like-
Yeah, it's good.
Perfect. That's right.
Okay, let's make some light for Andras coming back. And also some
Does
space.
somebody take this torch?
And now I suddenly realize why there are empty bottles all over the place. Because everyone does the same thing. Oh, hey, did you find it? Oh. And then we have a...
Here's the hero.
Somewhere? Hey, hey.
Well done, yeah.
Very nice of you for the lighting.
Alright, shall we?
So let's get to safety.
Okay.
And food.
Food.
Food, then safety.
That's a good warm-up exercise.
Someone
Anyone
for-
who sacrifice food in order to get safety does not deserve either.
Exactly.
Wasn't that one of the American?
Yeah.
This will be low.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright.
Good.
Fun adventure.
How come so many people had torches?
We're engineers.
We're in Switzerland.
Whose is this torch?